All right, Maureen, you are super awesome client of Body Basics, and you've been kicking a whole lot of butt. And especially through this virtual training, I've been with you this whole entire time, and it's very evident what I've been seeing. But I just want to hear from your own words so you can share with some other people that may benefit from it as well. So the first question I have for you is, what is it about the training that we provide that you enjoy most? Specifically to like the fun factor, not what you're getting out of it physically, but the fun, the entertainment factor.
Oh, for sure. That's one of the best parts of it. I mean, exercise can be strenuous, but having trainers that are so positive and upbeat and, give you positive feedback, it's not just all about, okay, do it. They want you to improve. And so, their positive attitude, it's just great. They're happy and it's wonderful.
Awesome. Awesome. I love hearing that. All right. And we'll just move right along. So what are some very specific or measurable physical benefits or milestones that you have accomplished that before training with Body Basics you were unable to do?
Oh my gosh, I started, I think, last November or so. I have a much stronger core. My arms are so very much stronger. My legs, I mean, just overall, for 71 years old, I feel so much better than I have in years. It's just been a wonderful experience.
I love it. I love it. And last question before we kick some butt, what would you tell a potential client who's on the fence about joining virtual training? What would you say to them to try to get them to understand the benefit?
I would say go for it. It's been fantastic. I mean, it's so easy. You just get on your Zoom meeting and you don't need that much equipment. You would think, well, how am I going to do Zoom? You don't need that much equipment. The trainers are very adept at figuring out what equipment you have and what you can do with it. I don't think there's really any disadvantages. I mean, they work you hard on Zoom. It's at least as hard, if not, more of a workout than if you were in the gym. It's great.
All right. All right. Heck yeah. Well, that's all the questions I have for you. Thank you so much, Maureen. It really does mean a lot to give us that feedback. I know you've been with us for quite some time and you've been a very, very outstanding client person of ours, and we will always appreciate you. So keep up the good work.
Thank you. And thank you for
people benefit from this. What was that?
I said thank you for all your good work and all the trainers.
Of course, absolutely. All right.